Hello, crafty friends. It's Nikki again, and I wanted to take this opportunity to thank Alicia from CallMeCraftyAl. She has playfully thrown down the gauntlet again with her new Sheetload of cards videos that she's putting out. She has asked for some participation, and I am more than happy to do that. And I think I can combine this with something that I had planned for the last 2 years but never have done, and that is, so you only have 10 minutes. I know, just like you, I'm sure, I'm just absolutely busy, and there are days on end where I don't get into the craft room. And I want to try to help alleviate that by using little snippets of time when we have it. And so I want to go ahead and get started today on Cardbases. I have my small Martha Stewart scoring board here. And I have several sheets of this, right? The colored cardstock is from Gina K Designs. It's her summer collection. And it's 100 pounds cardstock, 24 sheets for $10.95, Gina K Designs. And this is a piece of her craft. I got a whole set of just the craft. And then I also have packets of green and packets of red for Christmas. But it's 100 pounds. I love either 100 or 110 pound for Cardbases. Now the white that I'll be using is Park Lane 110 pounds from Joann's. 100 sheets for $15. And this, like I said, this is 110 and the Gina K is 100. I don't like using anything less for actual bases. I'll use 65 and 80 for my card layering, which will be in the next video. Okay, let's see how many we can make in 10 minutes. Set. Okay, let's get out the trimmer and let's get started. Okay, set it up. All right, we'll start with the colored first because that's the least amount. As you know, an 8.5 by 11 piece, if you make a landscape card, you can get exactly 2 per sheet without any waste. We're going to cut them first, and then we're going to score them. I bought this set from Gina K Design last summer, or last spring, I think, and I obviously didn't use it up. So I thought this would be good to showcase today. My favorite is the landscape. I can do either, I'll show you an example once I score it. Okay, here we're going to the white. If you don't want to put in an insert in the inside, then white, of course, is the best choice. Or if you're like me and afraid of making a mistake, you can also stamp on an insert and put the insert inside. It doesn't matter. White on white is perfectly fine. So we're down to 8 minutes. Okay, good. I actually thought of this idea like not last Christmas, but the Christmas before last. And I started to make a video, and that just, it wasn't, to me, it just didn't turn out very well at all. So I just kind of gave up. But Alicia, CallMeCraftyAl, inspired me. Let's go ahead and score these. Score and fold all of these. This will make quite a nice batch of cards, as I'm going to be doing for her sheet load of cards. So we want to do A2, and then we'll fold them here later. Sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure why that it doesn't fold exactly correctly once I've scored it, but we will see when I go to fold them. Now, I have seen Donna Gray do this. Donna Gray from Australia. And sometimes this is kind of like, you can't really miss if you do this. And then you can just and voila, you're done. I think I'll do that. And then we'll burnish them later. I want to make sure I get everything in. I'm down to 5 minutes. Fingers work well. If you don't have a bone folder, then fingers work really well. They were invented before bone folders. Okay. Of course, the friction does build up and cause a little bit of heat. All right, about 3/4 of the way through. We are down to 3 minutes. Okay, that one didn't turn out really well. And this is the lesser pound cardstock than the white. So, well, okay. Let me try this and see if that helps. Because it's already cut. Yeah, that turned out all right. And they say, I've heard both ways, that it doesn't matter which way you fold it once you score it, but I always just fold it straight in. Last but not least, here's the craft cardstock. And we're down to 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Two, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 card bases, cut and scored, and we have 10 seconds left. Awesome. All right, thank you so much. And there we go. All right. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will continue this using CallMeCraftyAl's sheetload of cards for inspiration. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.